John Mason family. Today I want to speak about something very, very important, but something different from what we have discussed before. I want to talk about the technical side, the details you haven't heard, the details that explain why we are the most technological company in the network industry and one of the most advanced technology companies in the world. So let me show you what is under the hood. Our technical team has worked years on the platform, not months, years. We have two independent platforms in our ecosystem, the Ton Mason network and the Ton Mason AI. We built it from scratch, from zero. Every single feature, every line of code, Ton Mason's technical team wrote it with their own hands. No third party services and no ready made solutions. Now, why does this matter? You see, many well known technology brands create great final products, but they rely on other companies for key components. They buy displays from one company, they can buy a camera from another company, they can buy a software from a third company. This makes the product more expensive than the original price, of course, and it creates risk, correct? If something happens to their supplier or the supply chain itself, their whole product is in danger. Now, this is not our path. Every place and every piece of our system belongs to us. No external dependencies, zero risk of someone else's failure affecting us. We built our own multi-level marketing engine that works in real time, correct? So instant notification, instant calculations. When someone joins your structure, when someone's open a franchise, when you earn a bonus, you see it immediately. This engine can process more than 10 billion operation in 1 second. To put this in perspective, even on major trading platforms like Binance or Bybit, it can take a minute or more for one transaction to be approved and then to be shown in your account. Now, here in our system, it takes less than 1 second, right? You see it instantly, immediately. So we built for scale. Small platforms work fine with thousands, and we are building for millions and billions. Our platform handles any size of transaction without breaking because that is where we are going, right? So since last week and even now, some of you may have noticed that certain transactions may have taken longer to process or were just like not proceeding immediately. Okay, so let me explain to you why this may happen. So the Ton Foundation released a massive update to their entire Ton blockchain. It's a huge upgrade. We have many services that work together like a Swiss watch, right? Updating all of them without stopping, uh, this can take a very, 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 very big task, right? It can take a lot of work. But here's what you need to know. Security is our first priority in our system. If a transaction cannot be processed, it will never disappear. It will be returned to your balance, usually within 2 or 4 hours maximum, because we built our financial model from scratch, no middleman, no external processors. We have full control. Your money, of course, is 100% safe and secure in your account, right? So we are working on this every single day. Most of the transactions already work as usual. Within the next few days, everything will be solved regarding this point, and all the transactions will take less than 1 second. Exactly, to be accurate, it will take zero point 0.4 seconds. That is 10 times faster than before, right? This is a huge leap. So think about building a house, right? When you build a house, you don't see the foundations below this house, but the quality of the foundation determines how long this house will last, how strong it will be. Okay, so what we have been building for years is a huge, unbreakable foundation, a borderless fundament that allows us to build the biggest ecosystem in the world of AI and the world also of digital finance. This foundation is the highest quality possible. And on top of this foundation, we are building our platforms, the Ton Mason network and the Ton Mason AI. Already today, they are top class, top tier, but because the foundation is so solid, we can keep adding, we can keep growing, we can keep improving forever. Nothing can stop Ton Mason from improving and showing why we are one of the best companies in the world. When you create everything from zero, when everything belongs to you, you are the one who decides the rules, the price, the cost, and the quality. Many companies, they buy solutions from other companies that makes the final product much more expensive, sometimes so expensive that only a few can actually afford it, and they become dependent on their suppliers. We took a different road, guys, because we own everything here. We can offer a premium and a luxury product at a real price, right? At a reasonable price, of course, not inflated. We are building the iPhone of the AI world, but an iPhone that is available for every single person on Earth. Our first thought is about you, about the network, about the leaders, about the community. We are not here to make a product for the elite only. Of course not. We are here to make the most advanced technology accessible for absolutely everyone. That is what we are building today, and this is why we have built it this way. Okay? So that will never make Ton Mason similar to any company in the world. This is why Ton Mason is different and why Ton Mason will remain different. So in every decision, every company and every person has a choice. You either make it simple, cheap, and dependent on others, or you make it on the highest level possible from the start, owning absolutely everything. We made our choice long time ago. We chose to start on the highest level because Ton Mason is raising the bar high. Every feature, every update, every service, we built it at the highest level possible today. And remember, we are still in the testing phase, still at the beginning. And if this is only the start, imagine what comes next. We are building one of the most advanced technological companies in a couple of fields, the AI field and the digital finance field. We are building the future. So everyone stay tuned because the best is yet to come.